What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Oh, sorry. I don't know if you want to be in the video.
Oh, you guys, you don't know me, and you tend to show it. Oh, you guys, you don't know me, and you tend to show it. It's over, babe. I walked away like...
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel.
I would never be.
I'm here with Nakia again. We're going to Seattle, so we're traveling in. This is another travel vlog. Yeah, we're all checked in. We put in our suitcase and everything. We're waiting to get breakfast right now. So yeah, that's it.
No, eat.
It doesn't look like it.
No. You know what? It's good though.
It doesn't look like the picture.
Nothing ever look like the picture.
Let me see. We should have
It smells
recorded the
good,
pictures
though.
so we could see the. We got a bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant. And Nakia's about to rip hers right now because she's hungry.
I'm sorry.
But yeah, we're about to eat right now, and then we're about to board the plane in a little bit. So yeah, this is a little intro. But we're about to eat right now because we're starving. And we'll see you on the plane.
Oh, it's actually good.
We can smoke, girl, if you want it. We can smoke, just run up on it. I do that thing.
Hi, thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you. I'm feeling pretty cold, so I don't know. I'm feeling pretty cold right now. I don't know if Seattle's gonna be hot or it's gonna be. It's pretty close to Cali, so hopefully it's not too cold. But we saw a lot of mountains when we were coming, so let's see. A babe?
Yeah, I would have bought mine, but you know, I'm just nervous.
Yeah.
Get a vape or something. They're known for smoking. I think it's weed. I think it is.
I don't know. Is it?
I think it is.
I don't even know where I'm at.
Does he? Remember in the...
Hey, we got our suitcase and we're outside. You at the Alaska sign? Do you guys want to be on my vlog?
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. How's your flight?
It was long.
It was long?
Yeah, very long.
Welcome to Seattle.
Yeah. No, this is. I can hold this.
Oh.
This is my carry-on bag. Yeah.
Oh.
I got all my stuff in here. I'm trying my best to vlog.
Okay.
Let me know if you guys want to be in it. I'm gonna record you if you don't.
Like your sister last week was like, be safe. And he's like, it's not really like that out here.
Right. We're gonna be safe. Right.
It's definitely safe. Nothing's gonna happen here. We're definitely not safe in North. There's nothing here, you can tell. People are you guys hungry?
Yeah.
Yes. Pretty much.
You guys want to be in my vlog? Can you say hi to my vlog?
She said, can you say
Hi, vlog.
Hey, Bob.
So Sterling, how old are you now?
21?
He keeps saying that he's 21, but I already know that he's like
Yeah.
40
She's the older
by
sister.
now.
You can see, you can
But
tell.
it's fine.
She definitely looks older than me, right?
But anyways, we're about to get something to eat with the birthday boy.
Yep. 21, I could probably smoke and drink.
Wow.
Don't tell my mom.
don't tell mom.
Are you watching?
Wow, that's chicken and waffles. Gotta get that. So guys, we're at this place called Fat. This is the menu. They had Pedialyte as one of the non-alcoholic beverages, which is hilarious. Just finished eating. I didn't record the food, guys.
It was
I'm sorry.
so good though, guys.
But it was good. I forgot to record.
Are pretty ridiculous. First of all, it's gone, so I'm drunk.
Well, mine is. Oh, I'm the only one who didn't finish.
Stephanie, do it now.
Okay,
First of all, the camera. Sorry, guys. She'll be back.
Wait, I'm gonna drink it in front of the camera.
So yes, we landed and we're here safe. Stephanie's drinking a mimosa.
6 hour.
Yes, it was definitely 6 hours.
6 hour drive.
It was pretty ridiculous. Not drive. We're in California right now. It's his birthday.
It's Joe's birthday.
Are you in it? I can't see. Oh,
Yeah, it'll just go.
All right, his Sterling's birthday. Happy birthday. He doesn't want to be on camera. I'm bad at this. I'll be back, guys. Bye. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Just flip it.
I'm gonna put this. Hi guys, so this is my channel.
She's drunk. I'm not drunk.
She's not just sober. I'll hold it. Hi guys, this is my channel. We're in Seattle, Washington. Seattle. It's pretty adorbs here. It's not. Can I keep a secret? It's not really, what's the word? Very diverse. It's not diverse at all, guys. So just keep that secret. Keep it in mind. You're going to be seeing a whole bunch of crazy stuff tonight. But yeah, we're going to go out and have some fun. And
see how it is here. You know, we don't know what to expect.
That's how it is, you know, that's what we do. They have chicken and waffles, baby.
We're from
Happy
Jersey.
birthday, they from Jersey, baby.
But it was so good.
Baby. You come to Seattle, you gotta make sure you do your hair, okay?
Yes,
You know, it's proper, okay? Come see us at Pat's, baby.
yes, this is facts, guys.
We're about to go to the hotel. Bye, guys.
Lobby.
The blue light. There you go. Yeah. Already.
Hi guys, we're back. We're back.
You gotta catch us later when we're like all dressed up.
Yeah, right now we look like bums, but it's fine because later we're gonna look just cute.
You gotta do like a cool transition right here.
Transition.
We're back. And we're back.
All right, guys, we're on our way to the room. We are at 7
Renaissance.
We are at the Renaissance. We're not gonna tell you the room number, you know, even though we're safe. We're not gonna tell you the room number. Here you go. We're at the, what is it called? Renaissance Hotel?
Renaissance Hotel in Seattle, Washington. Wow. Pretty amazing.
Wow. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, nice and simple.
So cute.
Got the mirror right here.
Wi-Fi.
Wow.
Pretty adorbs.
Marble. Say no. We got a nice little, okay, what's the view talking about? No.
Cute.
We have our own beds.
Wow, first time ever.
We have our own beds, so that's cute.
Oh yeah, they do have the speaker. So we'll be fine. This is the good one.
Oh yeah, guys, I'm so sad because I forgot my Alexa speaker. I'm very, very sad about this because I love my Alexa. You can literally say, Alexa, do this, and she turns on.
And she does this.
And I forgot her. Like, Nakia unplugged it for me so I could remember, but I didn't really think about it until now, and now I'm sad. But we have a speaker in the
actual hotel.
in the hotel, so we should be good. But yeah, this is it. We got a little flat screen TV, the regular 2 beds. We got this little lounge chair right here. Right now it is, what time is it?
3:40 here.
Right now it is 3:40 here, and yeah.
So it'll be 6:40 in Jersey.
Yeah. So in Jersey it's like 6:40 right now, so we're like 3 hours behind. I don't know how this is gonna affect us later, but we'll see.
It's gonna be pretty.
We'll see. Focus, focus, focus. Alright guys, so This is the final look. And like, oh, I missed it. Oh, that's fine. I forgot to do my edges, but I'm kind of lazy, so I don't really feel like doing that. But yeah, we're about to go. This is the outfit. I just put on this jacket because I'm so lazy. If you haven't noticed, I'm just very lazy. I just want to like chill out, get some drinks, and have chill vibes and stuff. So hopefully we get to do that. Look at this loser with this Marvel jacket. Say nah, it's a nice jacket though. It's a nice jacket. It's nice.
Motivation.
Seattle is so adorable. Wow, the lights. It's so cute at night. Oh, the rain. Of course, Seattle. Good old Seattle with the rain.
We're in the Uber. We're coming now.
Staining my teeth, and doesn't my mother know she is supposed to be Solomon? That the rest of the world demands I cut myself into enough pieces for the both of us.
How black girls are actually systematized and pushed out of the system, just at the same rates and at times more in a more copious and dubious ways than black boys. Wow. That is not talked about. So I wanted to make a piece to talk about that.